So we are going to be creating a form using the Form Wizard. And I actually like using the Form Wizard the best because it automatically sizes your text control entry areas. And you do not have to manually do that. And it makes each one the appropriate size for the data. It does not make them all the same size. So I really like the Form Wizard. I like the results. So we're going to go into Create. And if you're going to use the Form Wizard, you really don't need to worry about selecting a table or a query in advance. Okay, we can just click right on Form Wizard. And inside here is where you select your table or tables. So we are going to use the employee table. And you can individually move fields over into the selected fields using the single arrow. You click the field and click the arrow. Or if you want all of the fields, which is what we want, you just hit the double arrow and it moves everything over there. And we're going to click on Next. At this second box, they would like us to pick Justified. Okay, and you can kind of take a look. This is a data sheet form. Columnar is more of traditional, okay, but you can see the different layouts. They want Justified for this one. I'm going to click on Next. It does have a name for the form. If you did not like the name, you could change it. We are going to keep the name and just hit Finish. Okay, and so this is what the Justified form looks like. And if you notice, we are in Form View. It does not put us in Layout View for editing. Now we are going to switch over to Layout View. Okay, and again, you can tell because you got those orange outlines. And what they would like us to do is select the label controls. So, employee ID, going to shift and click on first name, last name, street, city. Okay, right now, everything that's kind of displayed in a light gray are the labels, and I am selecting them. And with all of those label controls selected, we're going to go into Format. And they want us to fill in the shape. And the color they want is Aqua Blue 2. So let's go into Shape, Fill. We need Aqua, wherever the heck that is. They want Aqua Blue 2, 9th column, 3rd row. Down here. All right, so it's this one. Let's go ahead and select it. And it has filled in all of the field label controls. Now, what they want us to do is go into the Design ribbon. And they want us to switch over to Form View. And they would like us to add a couple records. So let's hit New here. And you may not have ever filled in a form that looks quite like this. This is a little different format. Kind of a form that you may see in a company. More of like an invoice form format. And I'm just pressing Tab to go back and forth. If you need to go backward, you press Shift and Tab. Forward is just Tab. And then we're going to come over to health insurance, and I'm going to press the space bar to put that little check in there. Then I'm going to press tab to get to another new record. Let's see, hire date. And for this one, there is no health insurance. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to press tab just to make sure that gets entered. And we're going to save all of our changes. And you do not need to worry about printing individual records. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and close the form.